Choosing the right trading platform is crucial for any trader, whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out. Today, we will compare two popular platforms, Tradestation and Tradovate, to help you determine which is best suited for your needs. Each platform offers unique features, pricing models, and tradable assets that cater to different types of traders. By understanding these differences, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your trading strategy and goals. Tradestation is a well-established brokerage platform that caters to active traders and serious investors. It offers a wide range of tradable assets, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, options, futures options, cryptocurrencies, and foreign exchange. Tradestation provides both downloadable and web-based trading platforms, which come with real-time data for users with funded accounts. The platform is known for its advanced trading features and analytical tools, making it highly appreciated by experienced traders. On the other hand, Tradovate is a futures trading brokerage platform designed for traders who want competitive pricing and robust trading tools. It offers futures options, and forex trading with a strong focus on futures markets. Tradovate provides a charting platform with subscription fees that include features like volume and market profile analysis. The platform also offers real-time data for users with funded accounts. Tradovate's commission plans allow traders to reduce their rates and trade micro-contracts at lower costs. Tradestation is best suited for traders who require a sophisticated trading environment with professional-grade tools. It may be overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity, but experienced traders appreciate its depth and flexibility. With its comprehensive range of tradable assets, Tradestation is ideal for investors who want to diversify their portfolios and explore various markets. The platform supports margin trading and is insured by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, providing added security for your investments. Tradovate is an excellent choice for traders focused on futures markets, especially those who trade frequently enough to justify a monthly fee for reduced commission rates. It is designed for traders who want to minimize their costs while accessing powerful trading tools and analytics. However, Tradovate is not suitable for those looking to trade equities like stocks and ETFs, as it primarily focuses on futures trading. The platform supports mobile trading, allowing you to manage your investments on the go, although it is not insured by SIP. Tradestation offers a comprehensive suite of trading tools, including advanced charting, strategy testing, and market analysis features. Its platform supports a wide range of technical indicators and provides real-time data for informed decision-making. Traders can access the platform through web browsers, desktop applications, and mobile apps, making it highly versatile. Tradovate, on the other hand, focuses on providing advanced charting tools for futures traders. It offers features like volume profile and market profile analysis, which are crucial for understanding market trends and making informed trading decisions. Tradovate's platform is accessible via web browsers and mobile apps, allowing traders to stay connected to the markets at all times. When it comes to trading costs, Tradestation offers commission-free trading for equities, including stocks and ETFs. Options trading costs $0.60 per contract, and futures trading costs $1.50 per contract, with micro futures costing 50 cents per contract. However, options traders should be aware of the high exercise fees, which are $14.95 at expiration, or $1.50 per contract with a minimum of $5.95 for early exercise. Tradovate charges $1.29 per futures contract and 35 cents for micro futures contracts. It offers commission plans that reduce trading costs, with pricing starting at $99 per month or a one-time fee of $1,499 for a lifetime membership with reduced commissions. This pricing model is beneficial for active traders who want to minimize their expenses. Tradestation and Tradovate each offer unique features that set them apart from other platforms. Tradestation provides comprehensive educational resources, including webinars, video tutorials, and a trading community for users to share insights and strategies. The platform's customization options allow traders to tailor their trading environment to suit their preferences. Tradovate, in contrast, focuses on providing a seamless trading experience with its intuitive platform design and advanced charting capabilities. The platform's subscription-based model offers traders access to premium features and reduced commissions, making it an attractive option for those who trade frequently. In conclusion, the choice between Tradestation and Tradovate depends on your specific trading needs and preferences. Tradestation is ideal for traders who require a versatile platform with a wide range of tradable assets and professional-grade tools. It is best suited for experienced traders who want to diversify their portfolios across various markets. On the other hand, Tradovate is perfect for futures traders who want competitive pricing and advanced charting tools. Its focus on futures markets and subscription-based model make it an excellent choice for active traders looking to minimize costs. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your trading strategy, preferred tools, and the type of assets you wish to trade. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.